Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Maybelline Buruan Madak. I am 41 years old. My height is 170 centimeter. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I am married. I have no kids. I have NC2 domestic work training. I have experience in Hong Kong for 2 years, from March 2021 to March 2023. I took care 3 adult. I have experience in Singapore from March 2017 to December 2019. I served 8 family members, 1 86 years old elderly woman and 1 newborn and 1-year-old boy. I have experience in Qatar for 2 years from March 2013 to March 2015. I served 4 family members, 1 adult and 3 children. My duties were cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, grocery shopping, marketing, and taking care of elderly and newborn baby and 1-year-old boy. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will hire me because I am capable person. I am kind and respectful and hardworking. Thank you.